Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening ads. Twitter. Calm and connecting a verified account, this gives you access to campaign tools and billing. Once done, pick a campaign objective that matches your goal because objective shapes bidding, placements, and measurement. Make sure to add a payment method now. Without it, you cannot launch. Finally, link your website or app for conversion tracking so you can measure results. This early setup prevents wasted spend and sets the stage for precise targeting and bidding choices. You now construct the campaign. Select audience parameters by combining interests, keywords, and follower lookalikes so you reach the right people. This reduces irrelevant impressions and improves ROI. Next, choose placements and devices, then pick a bid type like CPC for clicks or CPM for impressions because bidding affects cost and delivery. Then craft your creative. Write short copy, pick a 16, 9 or 1 image/video, and add a clear CTA. Strong creatives increase engagement and lower effective costs per result. You're ready to launch. Review budget, schedule, and ensure conversion tracking is firing so your results are accurate. Once live, monitor CTR, CPC, and conversion rates daily for the first 72 hours. Use those signals to raise bids on winning segments and pause poor creatives. If delivery stalls, check the pixel implementation, remove conflicting automations, and clear campaign-level frequency caps. These fixes usually restore delivery. Finally, iterate weekly. Scale winners, test variants, and reallocate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.